I feel secure of what I'm doing now. I feel beautiful, amazing. Like I can go out there, put myself out there, and I will be able to choose the right person for me moving forward. So I feel very confident in myself. I'm able to come out of my bubble. It seems like I was in this little bubble somehow, and now I'm able to step out of the bubble with a whole lot more light, with an open heart, and in a loving way. It's different. I just, you know what? I think because I'm so in love with myself, it's not that I'm into myself, it's just that I love who I am now. I'm able to just be vibrant. I've always been vibrant, but hey, it comes out even more so. It comes out more so after seeing Dr. Ray. um, it's just putting my energy out there, putting this positive energy, vibrant, always happy, loving, full of life.